Let's take a look at the Zmoon LED light bar. A little operating manual. Like some mounting bolts. Comes with a little Allen wrench to fit those little screws. Another set. It does come with two. That rattle, it's got the nuts inside that little channel there. It's got what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 lights. Comes with the wire to hardwire them in. I'm going to put these on my boat and we'll check it out. So I had my plug all ready for my other light that I had over here. I'll show you that when I'm done. Just gonna got some holes marked 3.5 inches. I'll drill them. Close enough. The bolts they sent weren't quite long enough, but I did have some bolts, so do the same thing on this side. Gonna wire these reds together. I've got my plug ready to go. Wire nut. Put the black together. And the moment of truth, let's plug her in. Bang. And they work. Got them working. So we're going fishing this evening. Hopefully you've seen that video already. We're going to try out the lights once it gets dark. See you there. So it's dark. Just got done fishing. If you missed yesterday's fishing video, make sure you check it out. It's brightening up that tree. We got a line over here. If it's the camera might not be bright enough to pick it up. Now you can see. So they brighten it up pretty good.